You received your lock. Now what? Let's take a quick look at what we'll be doing to get your lock up and running. The first step is to install your lock on your door. Depending on your lock model and existing door prep, this can take anywhere from 15 minutes to 1 hour. Look for the installation guides section within the support site and locate your model for detailed installation videos and step-by-step guides. Next, we'll connect your lock to your Wi-Fi router. This will enable your lock to talk to the internet so it can be monitored and controlled remotely. This is similar to connecting your phone or laptop to a Wi-Fi network and should only take a couple minutes. Look for the Connecting Your Lock to Wi-Fi article and video for detailed instructions. After your lock is connected, we'll then create an account in order to monitor and manage your lock remotely. Finally, you'll use the app to register your lock to your account so that you can begin managing your lock settings and adding access pins.